Meaning of dutifully.
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 Dutifully. Dutifully means to do something in a conscientious and responsible manner, fulfilling one's obligations or duties. It implies that the action is done out of a sense of duty or obligation rather than personal desire or interest. When someone does something dutifully, they are performing their task with a sense of responsibility and diligence, even if it may not be enjoyable or easy for them. Overall, doing something dutifully means carrying out a task with a strong commitment to completing it to the best of one's ability.